In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the Ascend badge in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Ascend badge is a very weird badge for you to get. To actually get it, you will need the Lamin ability. So, in this video, I'm gonna cover how to get Lamin and the Ascend badge. The Ascend badge is also used to get the Spectral ability. But let's focus on getting the Ascend badge itself first. So you will have to get Lamin like I mentioned. This is a requirement for you to get the Ascend badge. So to get it, get 2500 punches and the Backrooms badge. For this video, I'm not going to go over too many details on how to get into the Backrooms, but basically you can enter it by clipping into the far corner of the cave. There are videos if you want to see how it looks, but after you clip into the Backrooms and you get the Backrooms badge, go ahead and get 2500 punches, and Lamin is going to become available as an ability. Now all that you have to do is equip Lamin and go over to the arena. When you go down into the arena, you have to go behind the tree. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get there because there are these bosses on the private servers, but as you can see, if you are able to go behind the tree and you use the Lamin ability, you will find this little pedestal that you can step into. By stepping into this pedestal, you will be able to ascend. So literally jump on this pedestal and you will go flying up, and this is going to give you the Ascend badge. So as you can see, this is the location. Sadly, I don't have the Lamin ability, so I can't use it, but if you were to use Lamin here, it would spawn right here. You would be able to jump into the little Ascend pad and you would go all the way up to the sky and get the Ascend badge. By getting it, you would then be able to unlock the Spectral or Bubble ability, and it is super simple to do. The only requirement is that you get Lamin first. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Ascend badge in Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.